Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Master Alley. My name is Kerry. This time we're going to talk about Hilti, their very top model of the 22-volt battery series, Sf6Ha22. Okay, this time they have little addition function. See this AT function here? There's anti-twist. What does it mean is, when it drills, it has this anti-twist mechanisms to prevent you from twisting your whisk. Okay, let's talk about the features. Metal chuck, very sturdy. I love Hilti's torque control, very smooth, sounds very clear. And the speed 1 and 2, very easy to change. Compared to their previous model, it has 3 speed, but this time it's only 2. And it's not very fast, but I'll tell you later. The handle is more designed for European people, which is quite big for my hand. And the LED light is here. Now let's talk about their battery. We have done some tests about their battery. However, still, I found very difficult to take out their battery, but compared to other brands are doing very fine as well. But here, it's just hard, especially when it's new. It's very hard to take out. Secondly, the battery indicator is very difficult to see. Even with the lights on, you can't see very clearly. Sometimes it's not. You can't see it at all. And their batteries, maybe it's just my luck. I have a few batteries which is dead already, like this one. And you can say I have been using it for a couple of years, but still. Alright, let's go into details. Hilti drill driver itself is 2.0 kilogram. It's really heavy. Okay, for me it is. I hold this like this for a while. It really get my shoulder tired. Alright, for the speed, 480 to 1600 RPM. It is not very fast. Listen, this is 1. This is 2. The acceleration is good, but still the speed is slow. For torque, it's a 50 to 80 Nm, and for the chuck, standard 13 millimeters maximum in diameters. And because it can drill bricks and tiles, it goes to 28,800 IPM impact per minute. And you can drill up to 13 millimeters in metal, 32 millimeters in wood, and 14 millimeters in bricks and tiles. Price. Of course, Hilti is expensive, 1,750 Hong Kong dollars for the drill driver itself. Alright, I won't say anything about price. You know Hilti is expensive, but all I can say is I already knew the result of the test. That makes me quite disappointed, honestly saying. You can see later on how it performed. It's okay, nothing surprised, but nothing really stands out for a price like this and this heavy. So alright, enough talking, let's go straight to the test. Hope you like these videos. Leave us a comment and share it to your friends. Okay folks, what do you think? 164 with second speed. Okay, the speed itself is not fast already. And 164, the battery die and just die. Come on, this is Hilti, the top brand, the top model. The price, I don't care. You can charge as much as you want, as long as people buy and get what they want. But compared to Devon, Vox, these two perform just like amazingly good. And Hilti, this one, it just, maybe I'm just expecting too much, but come on, people pay good dollar for excellent performance. With the same screw, same wood, there's no excuse to say, oh, Hilti this, Hilti that. Come on, Hilti, make us something better next time, please.